Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give thanks to everyone because in the last 28 days I've gotten 41 subscribers. Yes, look at my mouse right here. 41 subscribers in the last 28 days. I really appreciate that. Now, if you want to help an older man, get his hair back, right? Get some hair implants because I'm balding. Let me show you really quick, okay? Don't get scared. Don't panic. Everyone calm down. I'll take my hair off. I took my hat off. So by commenting, by liking, by sharing, you're gonna help this man get his hair back, get his confidence back. You know what I mean? I want to feel confident again. So please subscribe, like, and comment. Comment and be like, here, man, this is comment so you could get one hair implant, right? Another person, oh, here, man, I'm commenting so you could get 2 hair implants. Any comment helps. All right. So now let's begin. I haven't been posting lately in the last 4 days, I think, because I've been finishing reading chapter 3, formatted input from chapter 3. I am reading the book C Programming Language: A Modern Approach by K&King, for those who do not know. And for those who do not know, I'm an ex-web developer, I'm a formal, or I used to do web developing, not anymore. I used to do freelancing, and now I'm trying to learn fundamentals. Okay, so now let's get started. Let's stop talking. Let's get into it. So we are in chapter 3 now from this book. Like I said, I haven't been posting because I've been finishing and reading and everything. But now let's jump right into the first programming project right here. And it reads, write a program that accepts a date from the user in the form MMDDYYY and displays it in the form of YYYMMDD. Enter a date MMDDYYYY. Okay, and they enter 217. You enter the date 2011-02-17. Okay, this shouldn't take me that long. Okay, it's not that hard. It's just input and output, right? All right, let's get started. Whew. So remember, guys, you want to help me get one hair implant? Do one comment. The more comments I get, the more hair implants I'm gonna receive. Right? The more subscribers I get, the better my outcome will be. All right, let's do this now. Let's go to terminal. Yeah, terminal. When I use a terminal, bro, I feel like a hacker. All right, now we're gonna go to formatted input, formatted output. All right. Oops. Okay, so we have no files in here. This let's see. What should we do? Oh yeah. Vim x1.c. Yeah, there we go. We got this started. We got this going. This shouldn't take me that long. Oops. Okay. Include, you know the drill already. I don't have to tell you .h and main void. All right, let me silence my phone. All right, no one call me right now. Not my kids, not my wife, no one. If they have an emergency, they could dial 911, right? All right, let's begin. So let's read the prompt again. I forgot it. Write a program that accepts a date. Okay, so accept a date, right? Month, day, year, and then outputs it the other way. All right, shouldn't be that hard. So let's create our first variables. So obviously are gonna be month, day, and year. So int m. Oh no. Yeah. Whoa, I'm dumb. Yeah, day and month, year. Yeah, month. Yeah, let's call it MMDD and YY. All right. Yeah, that's good. All right. Print. Now we do a printf. Oh, bro. Oh, yeah, I always forget. My God, dude, I always forget my terminal. Pull my hair out. Whatever hair I left. Man, this sucks. Male pattern baldness really sucks. Okay, anyway, so we got our variables right there in mm and dd and yy. Now we're gonna do prompt our user, printf. Please enter date. Please enter a date. Please enter a date, and then we do mm. Yeah. Please enter a date, and then we tell them how the date's supposed to be formatted. Date, dd, and yy. All right, yy. We got that part done. Now scanf. All right, scanf. So this is what I learned from this chapter. We have to let it know. We have to give scanf the type of characters it's gonna see or receive, I think. All right. So it's gonna receive a dd. No, a d. It's gonna receive a d. And then another d. Wow, scanf, you little slut. All right. And then another d. And then well, what am I doing? Comma. And then the address for address for dd, and the address for yy. Yeah, address for yy. Yeah, there you go. And now we're gonna get those right. I know I've said this in my previous videos, but my videos are getting recommended to different people, so a lot of you guys haven't heard me say this yet. But the little address right there, I still don't know why we have to use in scanf. Apparently I'm gonna learn it sometime in the near sometime. But okay, so the address little symbol, we're gonna learn it at another point in the book, later on in the book. Okay, so don't ask me why, at least not yet. Maybe until we get to the point, to that chapter. I think it might be chapter 20. Okay, now we return this to the user. You entered D, right? Yeah, you entered D and D. Yeah, it's all together. We don't have any commas. And then when we do a little new line right there, yy, dd. Was it dd? No, mm, dd. There we go. Okay. And we return 0. Right, quit. Good job, guys. Good job. Woo! Whee! All right, x1. Okay. Exercise 1. Now let's compile this. All right. GCC output x1. That's it. No errors. No effing errors. Okay. Please enter a date. Let's enter. Right now it's May 27. 2025. 25. You enter 25. What? Something went wrong. 25 5. Okay. Let me go back to my code right now, because this is not working. I mean, oh man, this is embarrassing. Why didn't the 0 show up? Okay, maybe you guys saw the bug already. A lot of you out there are way smarter than I am. So let's see what we got here. So the reason why. Oh, because we're entering only 1D? Why? Why did that happen? Month, day, year. Yeah, that's how the prompt was, right? The prompt was month, day, year. Alright, let me run this program again. Okay. And let me go back to over here. 2017, 2011. 2017, 2011. Okay. 5 months, 5 day 27, 2025. I mean, it works like that, but when it doesn't work when I like put in my number with the 0. You know, we did it. We did it, guys. Good job. Should we try to fix that bug? Is it a bug? Or is it just my dumbass brain? Because 2025 is coming out. And then day. We got day there. I don't know why it's not receiving the 0, but we're not going to break our heads right now. Okay? If you fix it, tag me in a video or something. Alright. Good job. We are 12 minutes in now. Should I just stop this? Oh, I dropped something. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's go to programming project number 2. Write a program that formats product information entered by the user. A session with a program should look like this. Enter item number. Enter unit price. Enter purchase date. Item price, purchase date. Okay, so I think we're gonna leave this for another video. I'm already 13 minutes in. Okay, I just want to say thank you to everyone for watching this video. All right, and like I said at the beginning, if you want to help you want to help this dude right here, sometime in the future get some hair plants, right? Subscribe, give me a like, and put a comment down there, please. I would really appreciate it. All right, everyone. I hope you're all gonna have a good day.